अपना अच्छे से ख्याल रखना। टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ। टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ। यह तो बहुत ही अच्छा सुझाव है। दैट्स रियली अ ग्रेट आइडिया। दैट्स रियली अ ग्रेट आइडिया। उसे जो डब्बा मिला वो खाली था। The box he found was empty. The box he found was empty. दुल्हन अचानक से हंस पड़ी। The bride suddenly laughed. The bride suddenly laughed. उस आदमी ने मुझे सर पर मारा। The man hit me on the head. The man hit me on the head. उसके जूतों पर कीचड़ लगी हुई थी। The mud clung to his shoes. The mud clung to his shoes. यह उपन्यास बहुत रोमांचक है। The novel is very exciting. The novel is very exciting. पेंट अभी तक सूखा नहीं है। The paint hasn't dried yet. The paint hasn't dried yet. बरसात पूरे दिन होती रही। The rain continued all day. The rain continued all day. मेज पर बस्ता रखा हुआ है। There is a bag on the desk. There is a bag on the desk. यह गाड़ी जापान में बनी थी। This car was made in Japan. This car was made in Japan. टॉम और मैं दोनों वहां रहेंगे। Tom and I'll be both there. Tom and I will be both there. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है। I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. कृपया बत्ती बंद कर दीजिए। Turn off the light, please. Turn off the light, please. हम सब उसके मजाक पर हंसे। We all laughed at his joke. We all laughed at his joke. हमने उसका जन्मदिन मनाया। We celebrated his birthday. We celebrated his birthday. हमें नहीं पता हम कहाँ हैं। We don't know where we are. We don't know where we are. हमें अपना वादा निभाना चाहिए। We should keep our promise. We should keep our promise. हमने उस उम्मीदवार को चुना। We voted for the candidate. We voted for the candidate. इस पक्षी का नाम क्या है? What do you call this bird? What do you call this bird? हमारे ऑर्डर का क्या हुआ? What happened to our order? What happened to our order? सारा ब्रेड कहाँ चला गया? Where did all the bread go? Where did all the bread go? कपड़े बदलने का कमरा कहाँ पर है? Where is the changing room? Where is the changing room? तुम मेरी बात सुनते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? बत्ती चालू कर दोगे क्या? Will you turn on the light? Will you turn on the light? तुम हमेशा शिकायत करते रहते हो। You are always complaining. You are always complaining. आप गलत ट्रेन पर है। You are on the wrong train. You are on the wrong train. एक दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं। A day has 24 hours. A day has 24 hours. आप इसके हित में है या नहीं? Are you for or against these? Are you for or against these? हम आखिरकार झील तक पहुंच गए। At last we got to the lake. At last we got to the lake. आपको कहीं जाना है? डू यू वॉन्ट टू गो समवेयर? डू यू वॉन्ट टू गो समवेयर? सब टॉम के लिए दुखी थे। एवरीवन फेल्ट सॉरी फॉर टॉम। एवरीवन फेल्ट सॉरी फॉर टॉम। सभी उसकी अच्छाई करते हैं। एवरीवन स्पीक्स वेल ऑफ हिम। एवरीवन स्पीक्स वेल ऑफ हिम। तुम कभी भारत गए हो क्या? हैव यू एवर बीन टू इंडिया? हैव यू एवर बीन टू इंडिया? उसने अचानक से दरवाजा बंद किया। He closed the door suddenly. He closed the door suddenly. वह लंबी सांस नहीं ले पाता था। He could not breathe deeply. He could not breathe deeply. उसे तैरना नहीं आता। He doesn't know how to swim. He doesn't know how to swim. उसने मुझे वह नियम समझाया। He explained the rule to me. He explained the rule to me. वह अपनी कब्र खोद रहा है। He is digging his own grave. He is digging his own grave. वह हर रोज बेसबॉल खेलता है। He plays baseball every day. He plays baseball every day. उसने यह किताब कल पढ़ी थी। He read this book yesterday. He read this book yesterday. वह मुझसे गुलाम की तरह बर्ताव करता था। He treats me like his slave. He treats me like his slave. वह मेरे बजाय वहां गया। He went there instead of me. He went there instead of me. आप यहाँ कितने दिन रहेंगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मैं उसके साथ सैर के लिए गया। I accompanied her on a walk. I accompanied her on a walk. मुझे नहीं पता कि उसको पता है कि नहीं। I don't know if he knows it. I don't know if he knows it. मुझे नहीं पता कि उन्हें क्या पता है। I don't know what he knows. I don't know what he knows. मेरे पास जो भी पैसे थे मैंने उसे दे दिए। I gave him what money I had. I gave him what money I had. मैंने उसे कभी पहले नहीं देखा था। I had never seen him before. I had never seen him before. मैं अपना काम कर चुका हूँ। I have already done my work. I have already done my work. मैंने उसे 3 बार देखा है। I have seen her 3 times. I have seen her 3 times. मुझे उसकी चिट्ठी का जवाब देना है। I have to answer his letter. I have to answer his letter. मैं कल तुम्हारे पिताजी से मिला। I met your father yesterday. I met your father yesterday. मैंने उसे सड़क पार करते हुए देखा। I saw him crossing the road. I saw him crossing the road. मैं कल उससे मिलने जाऊंगा। I will go to meet him tomorrow. I will go to meet him tomorrow. मैं इस रविवार को ड्यूटी पर हूँगा। I will be on duty this Sunday. I will be on duty this Sunday. यह सरासर समय की बर्बादी है। It is a sheer waste of time. It is a sheer waste of time. यह मेरे लिए करना बहुत आसान था। It was easy for me to do so. It was easy for me to do so. वह मेरे लिए बहुत कठिन था। It was too difficult for me. It was too difficult for me. मानो कोई सपना सच हो गया हो। It's like a dream come true. It's like a dream come true. हमें अपने खर्चे कम करने होंगे। Let's cut down our expenses. Let's cut down our expenses. मेरी को स्पा जाना पसंद है। मेरी loves going to the spa. मेरी loves going to the spa. जवाब न देना भी एक तरह का जवाब होता है। No answer is also an answer. No answer is also an answer. मुझे एक कप चाय चाहिए। Please give me a cup of tea. Please give me a cup of tea. कृपया धीमी आवाज से बात कीजिए। Please speak in a low voice. Please speak in a low voice. देखो बाहर क्या हो रहा है। See what's going on outside. See what's going on outside. उसने उसको अकेले जाने दिया। She allowed him to go alone. She allowed him to go alone. उसने आमंत्रण को स्वीकार नहीं किया। She declined the invitation. She declined the invitation. उसने कहा कि वह खुश थी। She said that she was happy. She said that she was happy. उसने $100 बचा लिए। She saved $100. She saved $100. उसका पर्स उससे चुरा लिया गया। She was robbed of her purse. She was robbed of her purse. किसी ने दरवाजे पर खटखटाया। Someone knocked on the door. Someone knocked on the door. शांति से खड़े रहो। Stand still and keep silent. Stand still and keep silent. 10 घर जलकर राख हो गए। 10 houses were burned down. 10 houses were burned down. गर्म पानी नहीं चल रहा है। The hot water isn't running. The hot water isn't running. कमरे में तंबाकू की महक थी। The room smelled of tobacco. The room smelled of tobacco. दुकान आज बंद है। The shop is closed today. The shop is closed today. मेज पर किताब है। There is a book on the desk. There is a book on the desk. वे दोनों अच्छे अध्यापक हैं। They both are good teachers. They both are good teachers. इस मकान में 11 कमरे हैं। This house has 11 rooms. This house has 11 rooms. यह असली हीरा होगा। It must be a real diamond. This must be a real diamond. आज मैं 20 साल का हो गया हूँ। Today I turned 20 years old. Today I turned 20 years old. टॉम अभी गाड़ी नहीं चला सकता। Tom isn't able to drive yet. Tom isn't able to drive yet. अपनी अंग्रेजी सुधारने की कोशिश करो। Try to improve your English. Try to improve your English. हम चाय चीनी के साथ लेते हैं। We drink our tea with sugar. We drink our tea with sugar. हमने बड़ी मौज करी। We really enjoyed ourselves. We really enjoyed ourselves. हम पड़ोसी हुआ करते थे। We were next door neighbors. We were next door neighbors. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? Why have you come here for? Why have you come here for? आप कहाँ बैठना चाहेंगे? Where would you like to sit? Where would you like to sit? तुम हमसे मिलने क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come to visit us? Why don't you come to visit us? तुम विदेश जाना चाहती हो क्या? Would you like to go abroad? Would you like to go abroad? तुम नहीं आ रहे हो ना? You are not coming, are you? You are not coming, are you? तुम उस ड्रेस में अच्छी लगती हो. You look nice in that dress. You look nice in that dress. क्या आपको पता है उसने क्या किया है? Do you know what he has done? Do you know what he has done? बच्चों को जबरदस्ती मत खिलाओ. Don't force the child to eat. Don't force the child to eat. इस दीवार पर मत झुको. Don't lean against this wall. Don't lean against this wall. वह कल तुमसे मिलने आया था. He came to see you yesterday. He came to see you yesterday. उसने पिछले साल स्कूल बदला था. He changed school last year. He changed school last year. उसके पास जीने के लिए ज्यादा समय नहीं है. He doesn't have long to live. He doesn't have long to live. वह कैंटीन में लंच खाता है. He eats lunch at a cafeteria. He eats lunch at a cafeteria.